how to add thumbnail to Instagram Reel. First up, open up Instagram. And here, as you can see, I'm on Instagram right now. What you need to do is just basically press on your profile icon. On the corner, you'll be able to see your profile and your profile picture. You just gotta press on that. And here, you'll be able to see your profile. What you gotta do right now is just press on the Reel section. In the bottom, you'll be able to see Reels. Just press on it. And here, as you can see, I got Reels right over here. So in order to add a thumbnail to your Reel, it's pretty simple. On the down bottom, you'll be able to see a plus icon. You just gotta press on that plus icon. And here, you'll be able to see many pictures and videos right over here. But you just gotta select Reel section. And then select the video that you wanna go for. So for me, I'm just gonna choose this video right over here. And then press next. Now here, as you can see, this is the video. So yeah, I could just speed it up, but yeah, just press next. And now in the section of edit video, you could just press it and edit the video however you would like to. So I don't want to edit the video. I'm just going to press next. Okay. And now you'll be able to see the option of edit cover. Just press on edit cover. And now you can choose the cover from wherever you would like to. Or you could add covers from your camera roll. Let's say if I want to add a custom one, let's say this picture. Here, as you can see, I can add a custom picture too. So yeah, once I press done, I can just basically share and then upload it. So yeah, this is actually it on how I can add, or you can add, thumbnail to your Instagram Reel. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, that's it.